Azure SQL performance tuning is essential for optimizing the speed and efficiency of your database. To determine when to use Azure SQL performance tuning, you should first monitor your database's performance regularly. This can be done using tools such as the Azure Portal, SQL Server Management Studio, or third-party monitoring software. Start by identifying performance bottlenecks, such as slow query execution, high CPU usage, or disk space issues. Once you have identified a bottleneck, you can begin the performance tuning process. This typically involves analyzing query execution plans, indexing, and statistics to identify areas for improvement. One key concept in Azure SQL performance tuning is query optimization. This involves rewriting queries to reduce the amount of data being processed, using more efficient join types, and optimizing subqueries. For example, instead of using a select statement with a subquery, consider using a join to reduce the number of queries being executed. Another important aspect of Azure SQL performance tuning is indexing. Indexes can greatly improve query performance by allowing the database to quickly locate specific data. However, too many indexes can slow down write operations, so it is essential to strike a balance. Consider creating indexes on columns used in where and join clauses, and avoid indexing columns with low cardinality. Best practices for Azure SQL performance tuning include regularly updating statistics, maintaining a healthy index, and avoiding unnecessary queries. It is also essential to test and validate any changes made during the performance tuning process to ensure they do not negatively impact database performance. In addition to these best practices, consider using Azure SQL features such as automatic tuning and query store. Automatic tuning allows Azure to automatically apply performance recommendations, while Query Store provides a repository of query plans and execution statistics to help identify performance issues. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively use Azure SQL performance tuning to optimize your database's performance and improve overall efficiency. Regular monitoring and maintenance are key to ensuring your database continues to run smoothly and efficiently.